Hello, my name is Mansi, member of East West Institutions. Today we're celebrating the Founders Day. It's been 7 years since we've been conducting Founders Day in the memory of my beloved grandfather, Sir C.M. Nagraj.
Hugely grateful for being a part of Founders Cup